Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is unboxing video, and this is for clutch repair kit of Activa. You can see this is the clutch assembly. This is centrifugal clutch assembly, and you can see the clutch shoe is completely worn out and its spring is damaged. So this video is for unboxing. So here is the repair kit. So what we are getting inside this kit, we'll see. So here you can see what is the components. You can note here, and you can also note the part number. So what we are getting inside. So, and it is a costly product. The total cost is 1428. So what we are getting inside. So first we are getting the 3 clutch shoes here. You can see it is very heavy. So here is the clutch shoe. You can see the friction material here. So it is very thick here, and our old is worn out. You can see very thin layer is now present here. So we have to replace it. So this is the clutch shoe, and now what we are getting here. So we are getting 3 circlip. Let me open it. So here we are getting these 3 rubber. Where we are have to fit this 3 rubber, that I will show you later. So these 3 rubber components, 1 2 3, these 3 circlip and 3 spring, you can see. So this circlip we have to remove from here, and we'll put new one, and this spring you can see here. So how to replace these components, we'll see later in future videos. Okay. So if you have pickup problem in your scooter, you are not getting a proper speed pickup, then you have to replace this component, clutch repair kit, and you can replace the whole kit here. And after replacing this one, your scooter will get a new life as good as that showroom condition. How you are getting the performance when you are taking the scooter right from the showroom, the same performance you will get if your engine is in good condition. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.